This 2024 K-Z Durango D280RKD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rapid City, South Dakota 57702 and is offered for sale by Dakota RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 2, oven, skylight, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, awning, smoke detector, external shower, DVD player, leveling jacks, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Durango D280RKD is 9,960 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.